Hi everyone, Xavier from the Dealing Desk here. Welcome to The Stock, when we talk about all the movers, shakers and breakers on the market. I'm joined here by Suess from the Premium team. Suess, good to have you back.
Good to be back, thank you.
And tell me, what is The Stock?
So today I'm looking at Ondas Holdings. ONDS is the ticker. Essentially what Ondas does, they specialise in drone technology that has exposure in both public security and defence. We've seen lately the geopolitical uncertainty that's happened throughout the world this year in multiple regions. So as a result, global defence spending has increased drastically and probably will look to increase in the future, which could create future demand for this. The company is still in its early stage with high research and development costs and high operating costs.
That's very interesting.
What about you, Xavier?
Well, let me set the scene. There I am last night at the shops in the freezer section. I'm grabbing some chicken tenders, and I thought, I wonder what the story is behind these. And so I was looking into Ingham's, that's ING on the ASX. And well, yeah, they focus on food, and you'd probably be most familiar with their chicken products. They're currently trading at $1.96 a share. And unfortunately, they are down 22% this year, which a mix of obviously macroeconomic conditions, which what benefits your stock perhaps hinders a lot of the other types of stocks. And yeah, they also did at the end of last year lose a big contract with Woolworths, so that has had a pretty big impact on the stock. However, just at the start of the month, they've announced a new CFO and have been up about 13% since. So I thought that was just an interesting is that the beginning of the tide turning, or is it just a momentarily bounce before it kind of continues the downward trajectory? I just thought, serves as a fun story of where inspiration can come from and finding, random stocks wherever you look.
That's it, good fun.
Well, that's all the time we have, but for everything trading, stocks and news, head to ig.com/au.